Imagine soaring 62 miles above Earth, crossing the boundary of space and gazing down at the planet through the largest windows ever flown in a spacecraft. Yeah, I know, definitely rich people stuff. Still, Blue Origin's New Shepard makes it possible. A reusable rocket for tourism and research, carrying 6 passengers to the Kármán line for a few unforgettable minutes of weightlessness. Lazzarini Stratosfera is a futuristic 2-person pod created by Italian designer Pierpaolo Lazzarini. Built from lightweight carbon fiber, it can travel on water or in the air. In water mode, hydrofoils and electric jet engines keep it stable and fast. In eVTOL mode, 8 propellers let it fly, with simple controls for 1 passenger to use daily easily. Kernel Flow is a neuroimaging device that tracks brain activity using time-domain, functional, near-infrared spectroscopy, measuring shifts in blood oxygenation and flow. For more, the newer Flow 2 adds EEG. Do you have a girlfriend and $10,000 and live in Italy? Because here, we have an idea for some super fun. Never mind. Meet the Infinite Machine P1, an advanced electric vehicle built for city riding. It has quick acceleration, a removable battery with up to 60 miles of range, and a durable modular design. The first time we saw something like this was in Hunger Games, when a sponsor sent an emergency kit to Jennifer Lawrence while she was hanging on a tree, badly injured. Today, the Jet ZX makes it real, carrying medical supplies across cities. Is there any creature that we haven't found a vehicle to mimic it? Aha! A crabster! Meet the Crabster CR200. Built by Creso, this underwater robot is made for exploring and inspecting marine environments. Finally, we found a chef even Gordon Ramsay couldn't rattle with harsh comments. Draco 3, a humanoid robot from UT Austin's Human-Centered Robotics Lab, is controlled through virtual reality teleportation. In a demo, it cooked a meal by holding a pot, noodles, and seasoning. Led by Professor Yuke Zhu, it's built for repetitive tasks. And here we have this wild, centipede-like vehicle rolling on 18 powered wheels. Each wheel has its own motor and suspension, helping it glides over rocks. It hits about 68 miles per hour, carries 220 pounds, and was first shown as a prototype in 2022. Myo Armband by Thalmic Labs, launched in 2014, was a wearable that let people control devices through muscle signals. Using sensors, an ARM Cortex-M4 processor, and Bluetooth 4.0, it worked with major platforms. Seems like Spider-Man ain't no special anymore, because ultralight shoes move like him, minus the sticky chaos. Using light spray, a robotic arm sprays 0.93 miles of filament onto a midsole in 3 minutes, creating a glue-free upper. T-Mobile Sidekick, or the Danger Hip Top, was built for messaging and getting online. Its signature swivel screen revealed a full QWERTY keyboard, making texting and email easy. Later models added color displays, better cameras, and expandable storage. Taza Aya, a University of Michigan startup, created air curtain gear that blocks 99.8% of aerosols, helping protect against airborne germs. Its hard hat uses brim nozzles to send clean air around the face, powered by a 22-pound backpack. Seadrone is a company specializing in remotely operated vehicles, and they're offering an appealing deal for most ship owners. Their ROVs are built for inspections, search and rescue, and environmental monitoring. Analyst data reveals that people worldwide spend 4 to 5 hours daily on smartphones and other devices, often straining their necks. Extreme Neck helps with that by supporting chin tuck exercises that improve posture and ease neck pain. It offers 3 resistance levels, steady motion, and a foldable design with a travel bag. Softfoot Pro is a motorless prosthetic foot designed to move more naturally across uneven ground. Developed by the Italian Institute of Technology in Genoa, it is flexible, waterproof, and built for stability. Its smart mechanical design helps absorb impact, improve walking, and handle challenging surfaces like stairs. Light is a cable camera system that helps you capture cinematic shots almost anywhere. It works with smartphones, DSLRs, 360 cameras, and action cameras up to 3.3 pounds. Here we explored a little bit the aquatic wonders. The Subblue Vapor is an underwater scooter with dual motors, adjustable speeds up to 2.5 miles per hour, and a depth rating of 130 feet. It includes safety locks, a replaceable battery lasting 30 to 60 minutes, and a camera mount. Go Sleep Pod is a sleeping capsule made for travelers who want privacy and comfort in busy places like airports. It has a cozy mattress, neck pillow, ventilation, a privacy cover, USB charging, and storage space. Solar Butterfly is a solar-powered mobile home built to inspire more sustainable living. Shaped like a butterfly, it uses a large network of solar panels to generate enough energy for daily travel. KT2 Kung Fu Turtle is a small, programmable robot built for fun, learning, and everyday help. Its 4-joint system, powered by Turtle OS, makes smooth moves, playful kung fu tricks, and quick responses. Plus, with touch and vibration sensors, it reacts naturally to gestures. Here we look at an extraordinary ring. But this is no fantasy relic. The Lotus Ring is a smart way to control lights, TVs, and more using infrared with no internet or Bluetooth. Next, AlterG Neo is an advanced anti-gravity treadmill designed for rehab and training. Inspired by NASA, it uses differential air pressure technology to reduce body weight support from 100 to 20% in 1% steps. This AI-powered chessboard blends classic play with smart technology. It uses Stockfish and Maya for strong analysis and more human-like games, helping players improve naturally. You can even run custom engines based on your own history. Lift HT1 can lift 400 kilograms. It performs even in busy places like this physiotherapy room in Germany, where it makes around 3,000 trips a day. Magnetite nanoparticles are increasingly studied for their effectiveness in water purification. Because they are so small, they have a large surface area that helps them capture harmful substances like heavy metals and organic pollutants. As always, being eager to, not falling and breaking my spine, here is a stick. The Kickstick is a compact electric boost for skateboards and inline skates with a powerful motor, responsive throttle, and a foldable design. This Pokemon-like Ondago cooler, developed by Knack Design Studio and 3D visualization company Dirk, reimagines the traditional cooler as a wheel for easier movement. Its buoyant shape floats, while the built-in makes carrying simple and doubles as a stand when upright.